Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find GPS coordinates on Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to do this on your mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On your mobile, you want to open the Google Maps app. Once opened, you want to search for a location on your Google Maps. Once on the location, you want to tap and hold down on the location. And in the search section, you'll see your GPS coordinates. Now to do this on computer, go to Google Maps on your computer. Once on the location area, there are two ways you can get your GPS coordinates. When you left click on your computer, a location pin will be dropped in that location. And under the pop-up, you will see your GPS coordinates. You can also get your GPS coordinates when you right click on that area. Here you get under the more option, you'll find your GPS coordinates. Click on this and this will copy it to your clipboard. So thank you for watching this video on how to find GPS coordinates on Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.